Welcome to the Digital Energy Manager Diagnostic video. I think you'll find this to be a quick and easy way to make sure your manager is operating just the way it should. Every manager has lights on it that tell you exactly what's going on in the system, and they're a great diagnostic tool. Each manager also comes with a warranty plus a lifetime protection plan. Let's take a look at your manager and make sure it's operating just the way it should.
Before we get started, here are a few quick tips. The burner will not run unless there is a thermostat call or a call from the domestic hot water tank thermostat. The manager cannot cause a burner lockout. The 140-degree flashing light usually indicates a burner lockout has occurred. The 100-degree flashing light indicates the sensor is not communicating with the manager. Do not replace the manager. Check the manager sensor wiring instead. Do not jumper or apply voltage to test the manager. To troubleshoot the system, follow these simple steps. Look at the manager. See what it's telling you is supposed to be happening, and see if it's happening, and if not, find out why. If you don't find the problem, perform the 2-minute Digital Manager Diagnostic to check all manager functions. This will be demonstrated later in the video. As a quick overview, the left-hand side is the input side from the thermostats. The right-hand side is the output side, which indicates zone valve operation, inducer, the burner, and the main circulator operation. Let's go through a typical heating cycle. With no thermostat calls, the manager is off and only displays the power light. When a thermostat calls, the light comes on and then the burner and circulator lights come on. The burner fires and water smoothly and evenly preheats the boiler. Once the return is above 140 degrees for oil and 150 degrees for gas systems, the zone output light comes on and the heating or hot water zone begins to heat. When the thermostat is satisfied, the thermostat light turns off and the burner light turns off. The manager keeps the circulator on as well as the last zone that was open to save the energy left in the boiler and piping system. Once this energy has been recovered, the zone and circulator lights turn off and the boiler returns to the off state. Remember that there is a burner restart delay, so if another thermostat calls quickly, the burner will not restart immediately. Also, if the return temperature drops low enough to cause condensing, the burner will continue to run, zone outputs turn off, and the manager will again preheat the boiler to either 140 or 150 degrees. These are the input lights. These lights indicate when a thermostat or tank aquastat is calling and only come on when there is an external connection. If the light is not on, check the thermostats and the thermostat wiring. If the light is on, the thermostat or tank aquastat is calling. These are the zone output lights. If the light is on, the zone valve will be open. For hot water, the bronze circulator will be running. If the zone valve is not open with the light on, check the zone valve and its wiring. For hot water, check the hot water relay, wiring, and the bronze circulator. This is a sidewall vent inducer output. This light will only operate if option switch number 2 is on. If the light is on, the inducer will be running. If the light is on and the inducer is not running, check the inducer relay, and the associated wiring. This is the burner BB dry contact indicator light. This light indicates the TT contact is made on the burner primary control. If the light is on, the burner should be running. If the light is on and the burner is not running, check the burner, the limit aquastat, burner main circulator relay, and burner service switch. This is the burner main circulator output. This indicates 24 volts is applied to the burner main circulator relay coil. If the light is on, the main circulator will be running and the primary control will have line voltage. If the light is on and the circulator is not running, check the burner main circulator relay, the circulator, and associated wiring. So again, look at the manager. These are the input lights. These are the output lights. See what it's telling you is supposed to be happening. See if it's happening, and if it's not, find out why. If you don't find the problem, perform the 2-minute Digital Manager Diagnostic to check all functions. We'll go through that now. The Digital Manager 2-minute Diagnostic can really be done in less than about 30 seconds, and it's 3 simple steps. Remember that most no-heat problems are not caused by the manager. Before replacing the manager, we advise performing this procedure to verify proper manager operation. Step 1. make sure you have no thermostat calls. Step 2. Turn the service switch off at the left side of the manager for about 5 seconds. Turn the service switch on and carefully observe the temperature LED bars. The temperature bars should briefly light at random, then all the temperature lights will turn on and off. The power light will stay on. Let's take another look. If each temperature light comes on and goes off, this proves all temperature lights work. The processor is also functioning properly. You're well on your way to knowing that the manager is doing exactly what it should. Step 3. Turn the service switch off for 5 seconds. Turn the service switch on, and this time, carefully observe the output lights. The output lights should briefly light at random, and then all the output lights will turn on and then off. This proves the following. All the output lights and outputs work. The lights, except for the burner, are in the output circuit, so 24 volts should be present. The processor works also. Let's take another look. If an output light stays on, turn the service switch off, disconnect the right-hand quick connector, and cycle the power again as in step 3. If the problem persists, either call tech support, replace the manager, or simply move that thermostat and zone valve to an unused zone. If the problem goes away, there is a problem with the output wiring. Check all the wiring and reconnect the quick connector and repeat step 3 again until the problem is resolved. You're done! The manager is functioning properly. Remember to reset your thermostats to the original set point and make sure your burner and system switch power is on.
Congratulations on finishing this diagnostic video. I'm sure you found the Manager to be a quick and easy diagnostic tool that will provide you with years of comfortable, reliable, and efficient operation.